Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Nick, and today we're in the home garage, and we're going to tackle something that has been bothering me for a while, which is the exterior trim on the windows, which is this right here. On here, here, and here, and the same on the other side. So I got something from eBay really cheap. I know, it's eBay. I know the right way is to pull these off. These are metal. Pull these off, strip them, refinish them, sand them, paint them, put them back. That is a lot of work, and I really am going to do that. I'm also going to replace the belt molding on all four doors. They cost me roughly about 75 bucks each, so that's a lot of money. So we're not going to change that today. We're going to focus on here, on something I found on eBay, really cheap, probably about 15 bucks, 12 bucks. They're just stick-on covers, almost like a wrap. It's not really a wrap. It's just like stick-on pieces that are gloss black, what these used to be. These used to be gloss black. I think they used to be gloss black. Maybe some of them were a matte black, but these are gloss black. I think they're gonna look pretty good. They're gonna correspond great with the wheels. And I'm gonna show you how I install them. Right or wrong, this is what I'm gonna do. Okay, stay tuned. Now you can see how these things weather. See, now we're down. This is what happened. You could put your fingernail here. You could feel that. Okay, so this, I'm pretty sure, you know what, I haven't even gone online and looked on what these look like, but this had to be a gloss black finish, paint and clear coat, which the previous owner really didn't, much do with washing and waxing here. Look at this thing. This is just horrible, and you can feel it. Okay, so I don't know if I'm going to go ahead and sand this. I might do a little Scotch-Brite on all the pieces. It's a 6-piece kit. 1, 2, and 3. Look at this thing, right? And 3 on the other side. So it's 6 pieces. This is, actually, I think this is metal as well, but it held up. It's not in the kit. Do a little dressing here, make this pop. But that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna clean this up, maybe sand it up. Let me go around the other side. Look at that. Okay, that is just, sun damaged, and the driver door trim piece is already faded, clear coat peeling, so that sort of thing. I think I want to clean this up. I think I want to scuff it with a Scotch-Brite. I don't know, a red Scotch-Brite probably. I don't know. I'm not a body guy, but I'm gonna do my best. And the pieces that I got, they do not tuck in behind the rubber. They go right up against the edge of the rubber. So, I think it's going to look pretty good, Once I get it on there, I'm going to ceramic coat it, and so we'll see how long it lasts. All right, so that's what we're going to do. So stick around and see how it comes out. Okay, here is the 6-piece kit that I got from eBay. As you can clearly see, for both sides of what I just showed you. So what I did is I went to the car and I laid them out against where they are. On the back of the film, I wrote down where they go. Now there are 3 sections on each side. So this is the driver, the frontmost piece. So I made D1, D2, D3, and same for the passenger side, P1, P2, P3. So, I just don't get confused. I know which one I'm doing. And there is once you peel the white piece of it, there is a sticky back film here. I know. Let's see how good it sticks. And there's also a film protection, which has to be peeled off on the other side. On these pieces here. And I know this is really cheap and really quick, but it's going to make the car look a lot better than it does now, but it's not going to, I know it's not going to last, very, very long. Okay, but I'm I'm just going to do this video because you can pick this up. I'll leave a link in the description of the of these pieces, which I got on eBay, which I'm not sponsored. This is not a sponsor. And we're going to put these on and see how it goes. Okay, next day here. Next evening. I'm losing the light. So here's what I think I'm going to do. I'm going to do one at a time. I'm going to show you the step-by-step method that I do. I've never done this before. This is just what I think I should do here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to mask off around to protect the edges over here, okay? Then I'm going to do a little Scotch-Brite. I'm not going to try and smooth this down so it's perfect. I just want to scuff it so the pieces that I got have something to stick to. After I smooth it down, I'm going to wipe it down with some wax and grease remover. Then I'm going to carefully put the piece on, and I'm going to bring you along, and let's see how it turns out. Real quick, everyone, please subscribe to my channel. Please consider doing so if you haven't already, and click the notification bell so you know when I upload a video. A lot of you that watch my videos still are not subscribed, but many of you have. I really do appreciate you. I really, really do. Sincerely appreciate you. So please subscribe and give it a thumbs up if you like what you see here today. And let's get back on with the video. Thanks. Got the tape. Going to try and tape this off. So this is what I want to do, because I don't want to sand, use a Scotch-Brite and let it hit the rubber sealants in between. Yeah, so I want to protect that. So I hope you can see what I'm doing here. This is there we go. Just want to cover. I don't want any problems. Okay. Just 2 more strips. One along the bottom, protecting the belt molding that I'm going to replace eventually. And I'm probably in your way. I apologize. Oh, look at that. Okay, very good. Okay, nice. Let's scuff it. Using a piece of green Scotch-Brite, and I'm just going to. You can clearly see the scuff marks. I'm not trying to smooth this out. I just want a surface that the glue on the stick-on trim. Can't believe I'm saying that, but hey, I'm gonna try it. What do I have to lose? It'll look good from 10 feet away, huh? That's what I'm hoping for. Okay, quick and easy. Hopefully it sticks and it lasts. It's coming up pretty good. You can really feel the damaged clear coat. Really feel that. I don't think you need to use sandpaper or anything. You can, I guess you could use maybe an 800 grit. I'm just going to use a Scotch-Brite. You can use a red one. I think the green one is really overkill. I think the green one is really coarse, but it's doing a nice scuff. It's getting it nice and dull. Does the 4th gen have this? I'm not sure. But for those of you 3rd gen owners like me, hopefully this is going to be a viable option to temporarily cover this up, make it look good. The black is okay. I'm just worried about down here. It's pretty scuffed up. I'm gonna do this one here, and the other 5. Probably gonna time lapse. Put a little music on there. What I usually like to do. I have some compressed air. I'm gonna blow this off, and I'm gonna wipe it down with some wax and grease remover, and get it ready for the trim piece. I think that's pretty good. That's it. We're gonna go for it. I'm gonna blow this off. gonna blow this off. Okay, got my rags in a box, and I have a mini sprayer which is filled with wax and grease remover. It's not alcohol. I guess if you don't have this, you could use a 50-50 mixture of water and alcohol. But this is wax and grease remover. You're gonna spray onto the rag and wipe this down. You see? Do a little more. We'll just wipe it down with some wax and grease remover. Okay. And let's see what we got. See, a little bit more. There you go. I see that's pretty good. Okay, we're back. And here's how I marked it for P1, passenger side 1, first pillar. I took the top piece of tape off because it was starting to edge over onto our surface. So I just got a regular plastic putty scraper to try and smooth it down. I used it to get the adhesive started. So here we go. There it is. Okay, now for the nerve-wracking part. There's no rhyme or reason with this. Just do the best you can. And just this is the clear film. It's a protective film on here. Look at that, it's cut pretty good. Okay, let's see if we get this film off of here. Here it comes. Wow, look at that, huh? Let's get the tape off. Not bad at all. Not bad, huh? What do you think, guys? How does that look? Wow. Sorry for the glare. Not bad, right? Oops, sorry. Pretty simple. Let's put it back over here. Okay. Hey, everybody. I'm pretty happy with it. Pretty happy. Okay, so now we got one down. 5 more to go. Throw it on a time lapse. Okay, here are the results. Not bad, not too bad. As you can see, I changed the game plan for this side. Had a big struggle on the other side. Kept lifting it back up, putting it back down. A little bit on this side. So far, they're sticking really, really well. They're really on there. On this side, and on the other side, which gave me all that problem. It's a little bit dark on this side, but you can still see. They really came out fantastic. Now, I don't know how long these are gonna last. I mean, but if you click on the link down below, you'll see that these are about 13 bucks for all 6 of them. Cheap, quick, and easy. Just definitely scuff it out, clean it up. As I learned, it's better to stick these on when peel the tape off first, then stick these on, and it just really spiffs up the car. I'll do some photographs of this in the daytime tomorrow. I'll include it in the end of this video, and I think it came out great. Can't complain for the amount of money I paid and a little bit of time it took. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate it. As you can see, quick and easy way if you have window trim pillars that are peeling from sun damage, that weren't taken care of, and you can clean them up, scuff them up, stick these on, wake up both sides of your car, make them look fantastic like these do. Hope these last a long time, but like I said, for the money. So as always, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click on the notification bell as I said earlier. Follow me on Instagram at the Mechanic 2.0 for some inside baseball before YouTube. And as always, have a fantastic day, have a fantastic evening, and I'll catch you in the next one.